We have an update now on a developing story we first brought you last night at 10. A one-year-old girl is fighting for her life this morning after her mother found her unresponsive in a bathtub. 2 News reporter Dan Perlman is live from police headquarters with the latest. Dan?
Well, the little girl was taken to the hospital in critical condition. As of right now, she is still alive. Police got the call to the home near 1st and South Florence around 8 o'clock last night. They say right now it looks like 26-year-old Allie Frazier left her 2-year-old son and 1-year-old daughter in the bathtub. When she came back, the girl was unresponsive. Police are not sure exactly how long Frazier was out of the room. She was arrested for having some outstanding warrants. Those are unrelated to this case. Police say when all of this was happening with her daughter, she was extremely upset.
Like I say, very emotional, distraught. Yes, as you can imagine, most parents would be as finding their kids. I don't think I can describe it any more than just her being emotionally distraught.
Frazier's 2-year-old son was taken into protective custody. The investigation into all of this is still ongoing. Live in downtown Tulsa, Dan Perlman, 2 News, works for you.